Hello everyone, welcome to Top Trading Edge. Today we're gonna take a look at it ADA chart, Cardano, and see what's going on. So this is the daily chart. Each candle represents the each day, single day of the work. And let's start. Many of would be following this ADA since probably 10 cents, 15 cents, but we posted at December 2020. That time the price action was 12 cents. Since then, it's building the sloping support, and just now it is tested and it bounced from here and looks to me is very bullish. So let's start from here to understand this technical analysis, how it's been moving forward from 2020 December. It's a couple of years now. All right. So as you can see, this support was started building. Then in January 2021, it tried to reach to from 10 cents to 38 cents, 40 cents. And since from there, it tried to took off. And as you can see, consolidated here at $1.59, 50 cents. And then again, it took up to $2.25. And then it tried to come back and it built the new support here. As you can see, this is the $1 support, $1.10 area. So as you can see, in February 2021 until July 2021, so almost like 5-6 months, it tried to go above $2 and then keep testing this support several times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you notice here, it tried to test this support and then bounce, test the bounce, test and bounce, test and bounce, test and bounce, test and bounce. So if you notice, it did not break and test the sloping support here. So that is also a good sign that it tested and bounced. So this should be the entry point. That was my previous indicator that we should. This is the entry zone. Should be a $1. Should be the entry zone. This is how support was building here, and then it become $3 here from here. So we did enter at $1 here, and then it went to $3 also. Then we sold it at here because it was time selling off, and then once he broke the support, so we sold off. But anyway, what I like to mention here is, so from here it was building the channel down here, downward channel. If you can see, from here is heavy selling off, constant. If you notice here, selling off, 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 and now how far it is going, right? As you can see, that we mentioned here, this is the entry zone here 12 months ago, and still it's following that. Now this time what happened is this channel ends here. If you notice, the sloping support also meets here, horizontal $1.10 supports also here. So this time all these three supports are meeting here at around $1.10. And I notice at $1.10 it's up, test the support and bounce. As you can see, let's go closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 days now, and it's bouncing. Now we need to get about this. We need to go about the channel. That would be a bullish sign because this is our. If you look at it, this is our main resistance. Let me cross this. Cancel the channel so you can see clearly. Now we build this support. Resistance from right here to here, which is almost $1.65. I tweet today morning also $1.65, and the price was 140. So 165 it would reach. We got to be very careful. And I wrote here also that $1.65 is the resistance. If the channel breaks upward 165 as well as 100-day moving average, which is right here, right there at the same time. Resistance, sloping resistance. 100-day moving average is also a resistance. So this should be the resistance. Whenever I see the resistance, either you can take a small profit and wait and see if it's cross 170, then it could be a more bullish further, or it can sell off because you hit the resistance and it can sell off, depends on the catalyst, what are the news upcoming or not. So based on these right now, as you can see, it looks bullish, but the candle just started red, so we got to give a little time. But if I see here, I can see W right here also. So if you notice what I just noticed actually, so this can be a W pattern. It might can finish up to here also, $1.75. So this is the critical area, 165 to 175 area is the critical area. Once we cross the 100 moving average right here, 100 moving average, then we can be bullish, more further bullish on it. So overall, the trend reversal I see from here, and once it's crossed the higher high from here, then the next step would be 226. Now, whenever we mention these resistance, that should be your exit. That would be the exit point. And then once it crossed this, then would be your entry point. So always I prefer to have mm, the edge on resistance and support to follow. That should be the entry point rather than creating any new FOMO, buying at top. Oh, I missed this and I'm going to buy here. And I would not. I always look at all the resistance. Resistance are very, very important for every stock to enter and exit. So these are the way I would recommend everyone to understand these all resistance and support if you are doing the swing trading. But if you are doing the intraday trading, then these things does not much matter, because you're gonna do a day trade intraday, which will be you'll be looking at the 5-minute chart. So if you look at the 5-minute chart, let's make something on a 5-minute chart. So if you look at it right here, 5-minute chart is building the sloping support. Actually, let's make 30 minutes chart. That gives you a better idea. Cancel this 5-minute. As you can see here, is building a sloping support here, and it just broke this triangle, which is ascending triangle. And that was the bullish side. That's why this candle is super bullish. And now is hitting the top where the resistance is right here. This line is coming from daily. This line is coming from daily, which is right here. Let's cancel this. This is the W. So it's somewhere right here, critical area. Um, Upcoming next 2 days, we got to be very careful here and watch, see how things, how the market is supporting. Then the ADA can also work accordingly. So we got to give a little time and let's see how it goes. Any question if you have, you can, uh, you can on a Twitter, you can follow me. You can reach me on a Twitter actually. It's the same account at Top Trading Edge, at, and I can answer your questions if you have anything, or you can also comment on our YouTube, and I will also answer the questions. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Bye.